Hello everybody. We're going to make some Christmas cookies today, aren't we? Welcome back to Mrs. K's channel. We haven't done anything for ages. And here we are at Christmas time and we're going to make some Christmas cookies, aren't we? We've just made our cookie dough and I put my ingredients all in the Maggi mix and we mixed it all up, didn't we? Yeah, what did we put in there? What's in there?
Flour.
Flour and more sugar.
More sugar.
And did we put butter in there? Butter, yeah. Flour and sugar and butter, yeah. Now we're going to tip it up and we're going to knead it. So I'll pop the recipe up at the end so that you can have a look. In fact, I'll hold it up now and then you can have a look, maybe take a screenshot of that. So we've got flour, corn flour, sugar, and we use brown sugar because it gives the cookies a lovely flavour. Is it hard, darling?
Yeah.
Right, shall we? So this is Jessica and this is my little granddaughter. I better sit down so that you can see my face, otherwise you can't see. Right, so, but you can see Jessica and that's the main thing. And I'm going to take my jewellery off because I don't want the biscuit going all into my rings, do I, Jessica? No. Right, okay, there's some dough. Now you're going to make it soft. Okay, do it like Nanny does. Go to knead it and make it soft. And then we can roll it out and cut it. So we're going to knead it through. I've made a double batch here because at Christmas time, there's lots of children who love Christmas cookies. And we're going to make all sorts of things. We're going to make some Christmas trees. And we're using butter, which gives a lovely flavour, but it's also a healthier fat than margarine. We don't want to use margarine because it's not a healthy fat. So, right. And although I've used golden caster here, I often use soft dark brown sugar. I've even used coconut sugar. What have you done? And they all give a lovely flavour to the cookies.
Hard. I am hard.
It's very hard. Right, is yours ready now?
Yeah.
Do you want to try Nanny's one?
Yeah.
You want to do Nanny's one? And I hope these carols in the background. Well, we're trying to create some Christmas atmosphere.
Hard.
And I asked Alexa for some children's Christmas carols and I got the Oxford Choir. So
Really hard.
yes. So that's what we've got in the kitchen. Right, there we go. All ready. Okay. Now you're going to roll it now. Where's your rolling pin gone? There it is. Right, you're going to roll it now.
Nanny.
And that's Nanny's one. Yeah, we're going to need some flour on our surface. Let's get some flour so it doesn't stick. This is a lovely thing for children to get involved in. And then we're going to decorate them with melted chocolate and some sprinkles, aren't we? Right, now you roll that out with your rolling pin. And he's going to turn the oven on to 180. We need a nice warm oven. They don't bake for long. There we go.
Okay,
Right.
Nanny.
Okay. Right, so I'm just going to take a bit at a time. I don't work with all of it at once, so I'll put that on this side. We'll take this away. I'll put my dough up here. Right, we're going to roll it now. We're going to cut out some cookies. There we go. You rolling?
Look.
Yeah, you must do it hard. Oh,
Hard. Look.
you're doing it hard.
Yeah.
Oh, good. Wow, look at that. Are you happy with that? Nanny help you?
No.
No? Or push it harder. Oh. That's it. Careful not to get... Oh, did it break?
Yeah.
Dear me. Right, we're going to cut it out now. Choose which cutter you're going to have. What cutter are you going to choose?
That.
What's that?
Star.
A star.
Nanny have.
What's Nanny going to have?
Someone.
Snowman. Okay, Nanny have a snowman. Right, so put your star on. Put your star on. Other way. Now we're going to do it the other way. And do it over there on the side. Right. Oh, there's Nanny's snowman.
My
See,
dad.
the sort of this thickness is a great thickness. We're going to put it on the tray. Where's your star? Oh, it's in there. Right, you're going to do another star? What you going to do next? Star. Nanny going to do a Christmas tree.
Look, Mom did it.
You did it. There we go. Oh,
Next one.
yeah, next one. But press hard, love. There we go.
So,
Wow. You're going to put it on the tray. Let's put it on the tray.
2 does.
It's 2 stars. How many stars have you got?
1, 2, 3, 1, 2.
1, 2. And Nanny's got a snowman. Do you want to make a snowman? Shall we do a snowman over here?
Yeah.
Right, push it hard. And Nanny's got a Christmas tree. Look.
Look. Look.
Is he stuck again?
Yeah.
There we go. You're going to put it on? That's it. Now we'll have to roll it again. You've got messy hands.
Yeah. Look.
All clean now. You're all clean. There we go. Now, what one are you going to do now?
This.
What's that?
Go.
That's a bell.
Bell.
A bell. Okay. Push hard. Ooh. Right. Lift it up. What you got?
Bingo.
A what? There we go. You put the bell on the tray.
Huh?
There's the bell. Pick the bell up. Put it on the tray. And who's going to eat these cookies? Huh? Who's going to eat the cookies?
Adam.
Adam? And who else?
Mummy.
Mummy. And who else?
Daddy.
Daddy. Yes. And who else?
Kaka.
No. What's your name?
Jessica.
Jessica, not Kaka. Yeah, Jessica. Yes. What, you going to do a Christmas tree now?
Yeah.
Okay, you do a Christmas tree. Oh, it's the wrong way. Never mind. Put the sharp end this way, otherwise you'll hurt your hands. Right, there we go. Push hard. Oh. There we go. Let's see. Oh, you've made a tree. You're going to put the tree.
Can't.
You can't? Oh, I need to help you. There we go. Next to the other tree. How many trees have we got?
2, 1, 2, 3.
2 trees. And how many stars? One, 2, 3 stars. Now, what are we going to make on this one? Shall we make a boot? Where's the boot? Where's the Christmas stocking? Here. Here's the Christmas stocking. Right. Shall we put the boot on?
Return.
Yeah.
Wrong way.
No, it's actually this way. It's the right way. There we are. Push. Push hard. There we go.
Done it!
Done it. There we go. Shall we take this off? Are you going to do it? Pick it up. Oh, we're going to put the boot. Careful. Whoops, don't stretch it. Oh. Well done. We'll put the boot next to the tree over here. Okay. Now let's do you want to use Nanny's one? Here we are. There's some more. What are we going to make now? What about this one? What's that?
The goat.
What's that? It's the angel. The angel. Press the angel. Hard. Yes. Yes.
Whoa.
And what did the angel say in the story, in the Christmas story, in your book?
Great.
Oh dear, we broke it. Oh no. Oh dear. Here we
I
are.
broken it.
Did you break it?
Yeah.
Oh dear. There we are. Shall we fix him?
Yeah.
Right, put the angel on the tray.
Ooh.
The angel went to see Mary, didn't he? Did Angel go and see Mary?
There you go.
No, I don't want my rings now. Put them back. Okay, now what are we going to make? Shall we make this one?
Yeah.
Some candy?
Yeah, candy.
Candy, right. Press it. Hard. Press hard over there too. Right. Oh. There we go.
Ah!
There we go. Put the candy on. Clever girl. Right. There we go. Well done. Put it over here. Now, shall we do last one? Make a Christmas tree? A big Christmas tree. Shall we make a big Christmas tree? This one.
Yeah.
Okay. That's a small Christmas tree.
No, you're too big.
Is this too big? Okay.
One.
You want a small one? Okay.
Harder.
Yes, press
Next.
harder. That's it. Are you going to put it next to it? Okay. There we go. We're making 2 Christmas trees. Clever girl. There we go. Are you going to pick it up now? Put it carefully on the tray.
Nope, nope, nope.
Put it
That's
down. Next, oh, you want it next to the other tree. Okay, shall we move the boot out the way? Okay, there we go. Has to be next to the other tree. And what about this tree? You're going to take this tree now. Careful, yeah. Now, where are we going to put this tree?
Sit over here.
Over here. Do we have to put it next? Oh dear, we haven't got any space. Shall we move the star? And we'll put this tree underneath it, yeah? Right,
Stop.
the star. Where do you want the star? Has it got to be next to the other star? Okay, we'll put that star. Right, okay, right. Shall we put them in the oven now? Say bye-bye to everybody and we'll be back later to do the
Bye.
decorating. See you later. See you later.
Later.